The best Samsung Galaxy S10 deals and plans in the US today. The Samsung Galaxy S10 phone is officially here and available to order from a number of carriers. We've put together a list of the best plans and deals that are available now. The Samsung Galaxy S10 features a curved 6.1-inch Super AMOLED display with an HDR10 Plus certified infinity screen that delivers a crisp, clear picture with accurate colors. The new S-series screen goes edge-to-edge with the front-facing camera situated into a laser-cut hole in the top right corner. The Galaxy S10's 10MP front camera features a dual autofocus and has a triple-lens camera on the back. The powerful S10 packs 8GB of RAM and is available in 128GB or 512GB of storage. The battery also got an upgrade with a 3,400 mAh battery that claims to last all day. Samsung Galaxy S10 deals are available now with a starting price of $899, 128GB, and are available from all the major carriers such as T-Mobile, AT&T, Sprint, and Verizon. All of the carriers below are offering different promotions with your purchase of the S10, which we've listed below in detail. Right now Samsung is offering up to $300 back if you buy your S10 through them and trade in your old phone. We've listed all of the buying options below, whether you want to buy a Galaxy S10 deal from a mobile carrier on a contract or purchase it unlocked from a retailer. We've listed the best deals and contracts that are currently available. Learn more about the S10 with our hands-on Samsung Galaxy S10 review. Learn more about the S10 with our hands-on Samsung Galaxy S10 review. Need something bigger? Check out our Samsung S10 Plus Deals Guide. On a budget? Then these Samsung Galaxy S10e deals may suit you better.